Hello friends, today we will discuss Class 6 Geography Chapter 6 Major Landforms of the Earth in the form of question and answers. Myself Veravi, let's start the questions. Question number 1. What are the major landforms on Earth? Answer is mountains, plateaus and plains. The major landforms are mountains, plateaus and plains. A mountain is a natural elevation of the Earth's surface. A plateau is an elevated flatland and plains are the large stretches of flatland. Question number 2. The landforms are the result of which two processes on the Earth? Answer is internal process and external process. The major landforms are the result of the first or the internal process which leads to the upliftment and sinking of the earth's surface at several times. The second or the external process is the continuous wearing down and rebuilding of the land surface. Question number 3. What are mountains? A mountain is a natural elevation of earth's surface. A mountain is any natural elevation of Earth's surface. They are higher than the surrounding area. The mountains may have a small summit and a broad base. Some mountains are even higher than the clouds. As you go higher, the climate becomes colder. Question number 4. What are the different types of mountains? And the answer is fold mountains, block mountains and volcanic mountains. Mountains are of three types: fold mountains, block mountains and volcanic mountains. The Aravalli Range in India is the example of one of the oldest fold mountain systems in the world. The Rhine Valley in Europe is the example of block mountains system. Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa and Mount Fujiyama in Japan are examples of volcanic mountains. Question number 5. What is a plateau? Answer is a plateau is an elevated flat land. A plateau is an elevated flat land. It is flat top tableland standing above the surrounding area. A plateau may have one or more sides with steep slopes. The Deccan Plateau in India is one of the oldest plateaus. Plateaus are very useful for mankind. They have rich deposits of minerals like diamond, gold, iron, etc. Question number 6. What are plains? Answer is plains are vast stretches of flat land. Plains are the large stretches of flat land. Some plains are extremely level. Others may be slightly rolling and undulating. Most of the plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries. Plains are usually fertile regions and they are suitable for cultivation. Plains are most useful area for human habitation. Question number 7. What are block mountains? Answer is block mountains are a type of mountain system. Block mountains are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. The uplifted blocks are termed as horst and the lowered blocks are called graben. The Rhine Valley in Europe are examples of such mountain systems. Question number 8. How mountains are useful to the humankind? Answer is mountains are storehouse of water and source of glaciers. Mountains are very useful. The mountains are storehouse of water. Many rivers have their source in the glaciers, in the mountains. In some mountains there are permanently frozen rivers of ice. They are called glaciers. Reservoirs are made and the water is harnessed for the use of people. Water from the mountains is also used for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity. The river valleys and terraces are ideal for cultivation of crops. Mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna. The forests provide fuel, fodder, shelter and other products also. Question number 9. What are fold mountains? Answer is the Himalayan mountains and the Alps are young fold mountains. The Himalayan mountains and the Alps are the young fold mountains with rugged relief and high conical peaks. The Aravalli Range in India is one of the oldest fold mountain systems in the world. The range has considerably worn down due to the processes of erosion. The Appalachians in North America and the Ural Mountains in Russia have rounded features and low elevation. They are very old fold mountains. The last question for today is question number 10th. What are natural calamities? Answer is a natural calamity is a major adverse event resulting from natural process of earth. Natural calamities or the natural disasters are catastrophic events with atmospheric, geological and hydrological origins like droughts, earthquakes, floods, hurricanes and landslides, etc. that can cause fatalities, property damage and social environmental disruption. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, then please give a like, share and subscribe.